Hello guys and welcome to a new MECC live solve. This time the July weekend battle junior varsity case, and without further ado I jump right into the case. Yes, I know the time is on. Here we go, here's the case. Sum of guesses, so simple sum function. Maximum, max function. I will not check all the answers. Different, so max minus min. Odd, odd, even, yes. Uh, hmm. The correct answer is listed here, yes. Okay, so basically, if this is this, because this is player one. Ah. mm. And now a count if as yeah, so all the players. And here we go. Sum of players, so filter, filter. Here we have the numbers, fix it. If this equals this. Yeah, this will spill and therefore we sum this. I forgot to sum 40, 90, yes. Should be fine. Level 7. X lookup. No value X lookup of this player in here. Returning the according row. Okay, yeah, this was easy, easy, easy. Most common guess. Okay, lambdas. Yeah, I simply accrue by a to call, but I'm not in the mood to do this. Most of value in area, single result. And I want to have the max result. 58. Most common guess, yes. How many guesses were below the average guess? Okay. So, average. Rows. Filter. To call. If this is smaller than this. 275. How many player 1 guesses in level 4 were correct? 11. Most correct guesses in level 4. So This is by call. And then some. But minus minus. And then max match 19. What is the most number of correct guesses for a single game in level 5? So maximum 25. Okay, should be fine. Save, upload. And I don't think we will see your score. Yes. But anyways, see you with the Varsity route.